I'm just taking a video of it right now. I want to hear it running.
That's why you want it for that noise.
I like the noise, yes. Well, we finally got this exhaust system replaced here now on the Thunderbird. Got it tuned up. Idles much more beautifully. We still have a couple of more things we've got kinks we have to work out with it, but it is certainly sounding a whole lot better. I think we may still have a problem with the electric fuel pump. Tends to want to stall out after it gets hot, and the electric fuel pump's making a clicking noise right now. But definitely a much better idling and running car than it was a few months ago when we got it. We put a brand new stainless factory exhaust system on here, minus the resonators, so it does have a little bit of a growl to it when you get on it, but not the obnoxious blast pack sound that we did have, which was horrible. Got the hard top off right now while we are working on the moldings. You can hear how quiet the engine's idling and smooth it's running now. Entirely different behavior than what we had 2 months ago from this car. We'll pop the hood a little bit. Maybe we can check out the motor. Oh, reach under the hood. Oops. This is difficult. There we go. Anyway, this is the interior of this beauty. Got the convertible top all on right at the moment. See how much nicer the engine's smooth the engine's running these days compared to what it was. Got to replace this part right here. This is got to get rebuilt. The power brake booster, we got a vacuum leak in that. That's one of our next projects to fix. Get a rebuild on that. Got an entirely new ignition system in here with Pertronix electronic ignition. Carburetor has been all tuned, and it's just a dramatically different car than it was 2 months ago from a engine mechanical running standpoint. Love the classic 50s exhaust. Anymore. Well, we're getting there. Fun to drive and ride in. Let's get a view from this side here. Nice 57 TBird. Originally appears to be out of San Diego, California. Okay, we're taking a little spin here in the 57 Thunderbird with the new exhaust system. Behaving much nicer, quieter. You still get a little bit of a rumble, but it certainly isn't that loud, obnoxious barking sound that the old glass pack mufflers had on it. This is much, and the engine tune-up is much, makes it much more drivable. Yeah, she's got a nice sound now, but not over the top. Just a little cruise around our neighborhood here. Like I said, she seems to be running pretty good now. A few more issues to sort out. I think the biggest one, most expensive one to figure out, or we know what the problem is the power brake booster needs to be rebuilt, which is not a cheap job. So unfortunately, that's a project that's going to occur this winter. Love these wraparound windshields in these T-Birds. Which is cold, we got a bit of a hesitation there, but once it warms up, that hesitation tends to go away. So we just pulled it out of the garage here, so it's not fully at operating temperature yet. We'll turn around and head back. Gets up and moves. We're doing a 55 right there in a 30-mile-an-hour street, so it got up there pretty quickly. There's no slouch. Yeah, still a little stumble when she's cold. Suspecting that may also be related to the vacuum leak in the brake booster. I'm hoping that that kind of all resolves itself after the new booster goes in. That is robbing vacuum from the engine. Anyway, that was our little ride. Hope you enjoyed it.